actually, we get actually a lot.
It's like when somebody you say like, actually, that's a good idea. It's like you didn't expect that person to have a good idea.
Underestimate.
Yes, but you know what? When you're underestimated, that's when you have the power to kind of surprise people. And I think we've been doing just that. Yeah.
Did you know that the Outset's clean standards are actually one of the highest in the beauty industry?
We have eliminated over 2,700 ingredients of concern, and we are Clean Plus, Planet Positive at Sephora, really with the idea of kind of making it
for everyone.
Did you know that the Outset moisturizer is actually breathable?
I did, yes, I did know that. It is very lightweight. Oh, but it also has a 24-hour moisturizer, clinically proven advantage. So you can really feel like you are just deliciously dewy all day long. Hey, did you know that when you use the Outset, it actually becomes an everyday essential in your skincare routine?
It's been that way for me. I mean, since using these products,
my
skin has never... Of course.
It's never been better.
It's never been better. Cleanse, prep, moisturize. A gentle and clean routine can be your key to the best skin ever.
Elevate your everyday. It actually works.